Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your username on Steam. Many users wonder if they can update their identity on the platform. We will clarify the difference between your public profile name, which is visible to everyone, and your unique account login name. Understanding this distinction is key to managing your Steam presence effectively and ensuring your profile reflects your current preference. Changing your public profile name is a straightforward process. First, open your Steam client or visit the Steam website in your browser. Then, click on your current profile name to access your profile page. Look for the Edit Profile button, usually found on the right side. From there, you can easily type in your new preferred name and save the changes. One great feature is the freedom to change your public profile name as frequently as you wish. There are no limits or cool-down periods imposed by Steam, allowing you to update it whenever you feel like a refresh. Your friends will see your new name instantly, and it will update across all your games and community interactions. While your public profile name is flexible, it is crucial to remember that your Steam account login name is permanent. This is the unique identifier you created when you first joined Steam, and it cannot be changed. It is essential for logging in securely, so keep it safe and distinct from your public display name.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.